In this Java tutorial, we will learn how to create a new exception. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create an exception in any case with the throw keyword. But we created the exception from the exception class. In some cases, we create our own classes to express exceptions more clearly. For example, let's create an exception class that indicates that the database cannot be connected. I will extend the database connection problem class to the exception class. I create a field named message. I override the getMessage method. I will create a constructor. I will send the parameter to the constructor. I assign the send parameter to the message field of the class. The send parameter will be returned when the getMessage method is called. I use the newly created class instead of the exception class. I edit the signature. I will now use my own class instead of the exception class in the catch block. I make the necessary arrangements. We created and used our own exception class. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.